What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2015 Triumph Thunderbird Storm. Guys, this bike's in insane condition. It's got 125 miles on it. Rear and front tire are like new. Let's check this beast out. This thing is in insanely good condition. Oh, it's got a scuff on that back sissy bar. There you go. That's the big flaw with this bike. Rear tire, front tire. Tank is in great shape. Oh, this is in insanely good condition. Front fender's in good shape. I mean, it's like almost new, guys. It's got 125 miles on it. I don't really know how you can screw this bike up at 125 miles. It was traded in on a brand new Harley. Wow, this bike's in insanely good condition. Seats, sissy bar, everything's great. Let's fire this beast up. 115 miles, sorry. I did too many miles. Guys, 2015 Triumph Storm with 115 miles on it, guys. This bike is in insanely good shape. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. These bikes do not last long. Thanks for watching, guys.